At Abbvie, we have developed an ambitious plan for our labs of the future, both through construction of new facilities, such as the Foundational Neuroscience Center in Cambridge, Massachusetts, and in renovation of existing space, like that for oncology in AP9. With more than 1 million square feet of space to renovate in Lake County alone, we needed a centralized funding source to realize our vision for our labs of the future. By combining the resources of our operations group with those of R&D, we have been able to undertake major renovations, as well as necessary infrastructure upgrades. These enhancements of existing laboratory space in Lake County, including AP9, along with our new facilities, are a direct reflection of the evolution of biopharmaceuticals and our desire to discover and develop transformative therapies through innovative science.
We're having to upgrade the infrastructure, all the HVAC, the mechanical, the electrical, the piping. So in a lot of cases, the utilities weren't sized for all of our existing equipment. So it was sized for the science of 50 years ago, not the science of today or the science of the future. Plus we had to try and anticipate what the science of the future would be and try and incorporate all that flexibility into our designs, into our mechanical support for the building.
The construction process was exhaustive and covered everything from large-scale changes to minute details to meet our goals for our labs of the future.
The science of today really demands larger teams working on more complex problems. So we took a look at the buildings and said, how could we redo those so that it could accommodate the science of today and hopefully of the future? In a lot of cases, we basically built up and kind of blew up the existing floor plan of the building, trying to create more contiguous office space, more contiguous lab space that allows larger labs, more people to be concentrated in those labs, share equipment, all of the efficiencies that you can gain by doing that, and be more efficient with our footprint as well.
Now, we are proud to reveal the results of these extensive upgrades. Let's see how well we have achieved our renovation goals.
I think is really trying to get more scientists, like-minded scientists, like-function scientists together so that they can collaborate, bounce ideas off each other, utilize similar equipment so that it doesn't have to be reproduced or purchased over and over again to support the different labs that are dedicated to support our research. The other thing that we're really seeing is more collaborative, innovative type technology inside the laboratory so that they don't have to go to another place to talk about the science that they're doing inside the lab. That has been a big plus for some of the new lab designs.
Now that you have seen some of the changes, let's see what some of your colleagues have said about the renovations and our new facilities. With this round of renovations complete, our investments in facilities and infrastructure will further our culture of innovative science through collaboration and open dialogue. Join us as we move into the future of R&D at Abbvie.